Hey, what's up? It's Summer here. I am so stoked to share this video with you guys today. I have a big makeover transformation for you. I've been working on probably one of my biggest projects yet for my new client, Brian. He wanted to remodel his whole entire kitchen, gut it out completely. We did a fireplace makeover and we spruced up some other spaces in his home as well. I actually had the opportunity to work with a contractor on this project, which is awesome. Some of these projects are getting so much bigger and I feel so grateful to have the opportunity to work on them. Also, some of the challenges are getting a little bit bigger as well. This definitely was a challenging one, but I learned something new from every single project that I do. But I can't wait to share it with you guys. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I beg you to help out your girl and subscribe to my channel below to see more awesome, fun DIY and interior design videos, because I'm really trying to grow this side of YouTube as well, and I would appreciate your support. Okay, on to our video. Check out what I did. Head on over with me to beautiful Hermosa Beach, where my new design client Brian lives just steps from the sand, and it's awesome. Check it out. After checking out Brian's place and seeing his kitchen, I knew immediately he needed my help. This kitchen was definitely dated with the wood cabinets, the marble kind of countertops in there. It was very disorganized and we just wanted to modernize it, clean it up, and make it fresh and bright and more suitable to his beach lifestyle here in Hermosa. I knew right away after seeing his place that I kind of wanted to take that wall down there and kind of open the space up. He had just a lot of tan, neutral, and not a lot of colors happening on here. So I wanted to liven up this space and bring it to life by adding some colors and freshening it up. I came up with some sketches and a vision board for Brian's overall kitchen space. I knew I wanted to give him some fresh colors and black accents to modernize it and freshen it up. This for me was one of the funnest parts of this project, was picking out new tile, countertops, and backsplash for Brian's new kitchen. We ended up going with a elongated subway tile just to really modernize it, brighten it up, and keep it fresh in there. Because Brian's getting a whole new kitchen, we needed a new sink too. We picked out an awesome black modern sink. Created a digital mock-up for Brian and our painters, so we had a real clear visual of how all of the cabinets should look. Oh my gosh, it's demo day number 1. Look at all of this stuff. All of the backsplash tiles taken up, the countertops are off, and I am just so stoked to see this all come together, and it's really exciting to see it happen. Look at all of this, you guys. This is our old kitchen here, all in pieces. How exciting. We chose this awesome looking tile that kind of mimics the look of concrete. I think it adds like an industrial modern vibe to it, and how good is taking down this wall, you guys. It's changed everything. It's opened up the whole space. You can see here our painters are just painting away, and it is going to look so good in here. I am so excited how this is turning out. I think it just looks so fresh and so cool and so Hermosa Beach. Oh my gosh. All the blue is painted and it looks so good. It looks pretty good so far. This white's changed every single thing. And I really like it. Brian wanted to use his existing furniture in his space, but we needed to brighten it up in here and just kind of modernize the space and help him organize it and just show a better reflection of Brian and his lifestyle. I created some sketches for Brian's living room space and knew immediately that I wanted to create a feature fireplace wall. I also came up with a vision board for his space, which, as you know, is kind of an overall theme of the project. And as we go on, sometimes the vision board changes. We work with the client, we say, yes, this is cool. They say, no, they don't like that. And my vision might evolve as we continue to work on the space. My fireplace feature wall dreams are coming true. This was one of the most exciting things to see come together. How freaking cool. Brian showed me his guest bedroom space and he just needed my help of tying things together. We needed to organize it and make it more inviting. We didn't want to spend too much money in here changing everything, but we want to give it a mini makeover. Our main focus of Brian's project is his living room and kitchen, but when he showed me his master bedroom, I was like, yo bro, you really need my help. So I gave him a dreamy, cozy oasis for him and his dog Duke to go to sleep at night. It wouldn't be complete without doing a little bit of DIY projects for Brian's space. Brian had this beautiful existing framed beach artwork in his living room. I loved it, but I just thought it could be so much more and elevated by just changing out the mat from black to white. So easy, quick trick for you guys is to change the mat. It's quick, it's a quick fix, and it elevates it so much. So Brian had this like little surfboard something or another. You can kind of vaguely see, but it was like an American flag thing that wasn't that cute. But I thought somehow maybe I could upcycle it so you can see like the red, white, and blue. But I spray painted it black, and now I have this soldering tool that you've seen me do some other DIYs on before in the past. And again, this is not the most quality of wood here, but I just used a pencil and I am kind of going back over this because I thought maybe it could be fun to upcycle it and do something with. So you can see here it's just like burning through the wood here, but I wrote on it beach pad because I thought that was kind of cute, and his house kind of is a beach pad, so hopefully this looks cute and it can go above his door in his beach pad living room. So I'm out here on my patio and I'm working on things for Brian's place. I'm getting ready to take some stuff over there and we're gonna kind of like get things set up. He's had a little bit of trouble like kind of like describing to me his style or what he's really looking for. But that's what I'm there to help him tie everything together. But the one thing that he is certain of that he really, really loves, and everybody has their little quirk and thing that they just adore, and Brian's are monkeys. He loves monkeys. I found this today at Home Goods, which I thought was pretty cute, that we could use as a little decor piece in his space. However, I'm not real sold on the brass, and I know that he does not really care for a lot of brass, so I've got some black spray paint here. I'm gonna spray paint this thing and I think it's gonna be so cute for his new house, for his new space. So I just got back from doing a little last minute shopping at Home Goods and Home Depot. And I got a plant back there. I picked up some things for Brian's place because he's a little bit indecisive and doesn't quite know what he likes. I figured I could pick up some things and kind of stage it and see if he likes it. And if he does, then cool. And if he doesn't, then we'll go a different route. But today I'm going to be going over there tonight. The contractors have finished everything and I'm so excited to check it out. And yeah, so stay tuned for later when we put everything together and kind of do some of those final touches in his space. I can't wait to show you. It's going to be awesome. Check it out. I am back in Brian's house and I am so beyond excited to share with you guys this stuff. The contractors have been here. We've had people in and out. We've had 2 different contractors. We redid a whole entire kitchen. This is by far the biggest project that I've worked on and I'm so excited about it. It's also been probably the most challenging project I've ever worked on, but that's okay. I am in Brian's space today and I am helping him. He's at work, which is good for me because I am going to put together some ideas. He's a very visual person and he kind of doesn't know what he likes until he sees it. So I'm going to show him, I'm going to put it together, I'm going to make it look awesome and he's going to love it and he's going to say, yes, I want it, I want to keep it, let's go. So I'm here today and I'm just putting everything together and I think it's going to be really good. So stay tuned to see what I do. How do you think the place turned out? The leather pillows! Brian fought me tooth and nail on these, but he ended up liking them like I knew he would. Today, in his spaces, in his room, yeah. I have such an awesome video today, model in there, oops, which is really exciting. What the hell did I drop? Really big, and I did a oops, sorry.